Salmon is known as one of the healthiest foods. But not all salmon products are actually healthy. In Europe, a large part of the salmon is farmed on farms. This fish receives unnatural food and is often contaminated with chemicals, antibiotics, pesticides, and other carcinogenic substances found in materials such as asbestos. Farmed salmon is also fatter than fresh salmon, so it absorbs more toxins. Make sure you choose fresh instead of farmed salmon. Processed meat. If you're a meat lover, it might be hard to give up tasty sandwiches and a piece of meat. But be careful with eating processed meat products. This is a long list that includes sausage, bacon, hot dogs, and most cold cuts for bread. Years of study are showing us that 1 out of 17 people died who ate 160 grams of processed meat. That's 44% more cancer risk than people who ate 20 grams or less. Meat processing uses a huge amount of chemicals and salt to keep them looking fresh. A large number of preservatives are also used, including the same substances that you find in cigarette smoke. Do you want to reduce the risk of cancer? Then we advise you to put the processed meat products aside and only eat fresh meat products. Sugary drinks or non-diet soda. Obesity is a major risk factor for several cancers, and as such, it is important to maintain a healthy weight. This can be achieved through a balanced diet that incorporates all food groups. If consumed regularly, sugary drinks can lead to weight gain, and in excessive amounts, obesity. Potato chips. They may be cheap, easy, and delicious. But these crunchy, addictive snacks can kill. Potato chips contain artificial flavors, dyes, and various preservatives. Another risk is the presence of acrylamide. This is a substance that occurs in cigarettes. These are chemicals that your body is not waiting for at all and significantly increase the risk of cancer. For example, try oven-baked potato chips, tortilla chips, baked apple chips, whole grain pretzels, or even chips made from bananas. Protect your health and give your body a much healthier snack than potato chips. Alcohol. Alcohol consumption is the second leading cause of cancer right after tobacco. Although moderate or low alcohol consumption can be healthy and lead to a reduced risk of heart disease, excessive drinking has been known to cause heart failure, strokes, and sudden death. Excessive alcohol consumption is the leading cause of cancer in the esophagus, liver, mouth, intestines, and breast. Of course, you can still enjoy a glass of wine at dinner or have a drink from time to time. Think strongly about your health and stick to just one glass. Corned beef. Corned beef was also one of the examples listed by the EARC as processed meat linked to colorectal cancer. The EARC further noted that most processed meats contain pork or beef, but processed meats may also contain other red meats, poultry or meat byproducts such as blood. Other examples of processed meat listed in the EARC press release included canned meat and meat-based preparations and sauces. Microwave popcorn. Some microwave popcorn bags are lined with a chemical that decomposes to produce perfluorooctanoic acid, PFOA. PFOA has been linked to an increased risk of liver, prostate, and other cancers. Another chemical used in artificial butter flavor, diacetyl, may cause lung damage. It's easy to make your own microwave popcorn with a brown paper bag and some coconut oil.